Welcome to Top 5 Report. The best Metrx Protein is probably one of the most sought-after supplements in the fitness world, and for good reason. Whether you're a seasoned athlete looking to optimize muscle recovery, a fitness enthusiast aiming to build lean muscle mass, or simply someone seeking a convenient way to boost your daily protein intake, Metrx Protein offers a compelling solution. This review will dive deep into what makes this particular protein powder stand out from the crowd, examining its ingredients, taste profiles, mixability, and overall effectiveness to help you decide if it's the right choice for your nutritional goals. Number 5. Jacked Factory Creatine Monohydrate Powder 150g. Unlock your body's true potential with our premium creatine monohydrate. It's designed to fuel your muscles and enhance your performance, whether you're a man or a woman. Experience the power of pure creatine monohydrate, meticulously crafted for maximum effectiveness. Each serving delivers a potent dose to support your fitness goals. Our formula is proudly vegan-friendly, making it suitable for everyone. Plus, it's third-party tested to ensure the highest quality and purity you can trust. With 30 servings in every container, it's easy to incorporate into your daily routine. Just 5g a day is all you need to feel the difference. Enjoy the unflavored versatility of our creatine. It seamlessly blends into your favorite drinks or shakes without altering the taste. Elevate your workouts and recovery with this essential supplement. It's the perfect addition to your training regimen for noticeable results. What we like. This option provides pure creatine monohydrate for enhanced muscle strength and performance. It's vegan-friendly and rigorously third-party tested for quality assurance. If you're looking for a straightforward, effective creatine supplement to boost your workouts, this is a solid choice. What people say. It's creatine. Does what it should, no taste whatsoever. It mixes pretty well into cold liquids, but I prefer it in warm because it's absolutely traceless. By day 8 my muscles were visibly more visible and had a slight ache in some, but for me that was great because it meant it was working. I feel like the strength of it is legit and definitely does work. I haven't felt any side effects. It definitely gave me an energy boost when I started my workouts, and also I noticed that when I clean up around the house I'm getting more accomplished. I had hip surgery a number of years ago and I am not as tight and limited in range of motion anymore. I am able to work out much harder without all the painful recovery periods. No flavor or weird aftertaste. Mixes well in a blender bottler, though you need to shake for a bit, as if you don't it does taste a bit chalky. But if you shake for a bit it does not have a chalk taste and dissolves completely. Noticeable gains in both muscle and inability to push through final sets. Have been taking it for 2 months now and going to buy more. Great price for a great product that works. Number 4. Metrx Big 100 Protein Bars Variety Pack. Introducing the Metrx Big 100 Protein Bars Variety Pack. It's the perfect way to power your day with essential protein and nutrients. Enjoy 2 fantastic flavors, Super Cookie Crunch and Chocolate Chip Cookie Dough. Each bar is designed to satisfy your cravings and keep you going. These bars serve as a convenient meal replacement. They provide a substantial amount of protein to help you feel full and energized. Each bar is a generous 3.52 ounces, offering a satisfying experience. This 12-count pack ensures you have a great option on hand whenever you need it. Whether you're hitting the gym or need a quick bite, these bars are your ideal protein source. Grab one and conquer your day. What we like. Enjoy a mix of popular flavors with this variety pack, perfect for those who like to switch things up. It's designed as a convenient meal replacement, offering substantial protein and calories. If you need a quick, satisfying, and tasty meal on the go, this pack is ideal. What people say. These bars have a lot of protein and they taste wonderful. They are a great meal replacement. Rich flavors, packed with protein. Great macros for post-workout. I consume roughly 3,600 to 4,000 kilocalories a day, and having an option that is somewhat calorie-dense amid the obsession for ultra-low-calorie protein bars is great. Number 3. Metrx Big 100 Super Cookie Crunch Protein Bar. Introducing the Metrx Big 100 Protein Bar, a powerful meal replacement designed to support your active lifestyle. It's packed with 32 grams of protein to help you recover and rebuild. Indulge in the irresistible Super Cookie Crunch flavor. This bar offers a delightful taste experience without compromising on your nutritional needs. Each bar is a substantial 3.52 ounces, making it a convenient and satisfying option for a quick meal on the go. Perfect for busy days when you need sustained energy. With a massive 32 grams of protein per bar, it's ideal for post-workout recovery or as a filling snack. Fuel your muscles and keep hunger at bay. This pack includes 9 bars, ensuring you have a convenient and protein-rich option readily available. Stock up and stay on track with your fitness goals. What we like. This bar delivers a significant 32 g of protein in a single, convenient serving. It focuses on the popular Super Cookie Crunch flavor for a satisfying taste. If you need a substantial protein boost after intense training or as a meal supplement, this bar is a great option. What people say. Great taste and mixes well with water. This protein powder is a good source of protein and has helped me with muscle recovery. I like that it is low in sugar and carbs, making it a healthy option for my diet. Number 2. Metrx Big 100 Colossal Protein Bars Variety Pack. Unleash your potential with Metrx Big 100 Colossal Protein Bars. Packed with 100 g of protein, they're designed to help you achieve your fitness aspirations. Indulge in a delicious variety of flavors with this pack. You'll get to enjoy Super Cookie Crunch, Vanilla Caramel Churro, and Crispy Apple Pie. Each bar delivers a massive 100 g of protein to support muscle growth and recovery. It's the perfect post-workout or anytime fuel. Don't let cravings derail your progress. These bars offer a satisfying and delicious way to meet your protein needs without compromising on taste. With 12 bars in every pack, you'll have convenient, on-the-go nutrition ready whenever you need it. Keep them in your gym bag or pantry. Experience the incredible taste and texture of these protein-packed treats. They are crafted to be both nutritious and enjoyable. What we like. Explore a range of exciting flavors like Super Cookie Crunch, Vanilla Caramel Churro, and Crispy Apple Pie. These colossal bars are designed as a filling meal replacement. If you enjoy variety and need a substantial, flavorful option to replace a meal, this variety pack is perfect for you. What people say. They're good for maintaining muscle and losing fat and staying focused. As far as meal replacement bars, these are great for hitting our macros. They have a decent amount of protein to be worth the calories, and they even have a good source of fiber included with their carbs. Win-win. Also, they're really filling, which is a blessing when you're in a rush to be out the door in the morning or skipped your lunch break. Number 1. Metrx Big 100 Crispy Apple Pie Protein Bar. Introducing the Metrx Big 100 Protein Bar in Crispy Apple Pie. It's the perfect meal replacement to help you power through your day. Each bar is packed with 30 grams of protein to support muscle recovery and growth. Get the fuel you need without the gluten. Enjoy the satisfying taste of crispy apple pie, all in a gluten-free formula. It's a treat you can feel good about. With 3.52 ounces per bar, it's a convenient and substantial option for when you're on the go. Never miss a meal again. This pack includes 8 bars, ensuring you have a delicious and protein-rich snack ready whenever you need it. Grab yours today. What we like. This bar offers a substantial 30 g of protein and is a gluten-free option, focusing on the crispy apple pie flavor. It's a great choice for those with gluten sensitivities or who prefer this specific taste profile. If you're looking for a satisfying, gluten-free protein bar for post-workout recovery or a quick meal, this is an excellent pick. What people say. They taste great and have all the protein that I need. They are in fact a meal replacement bar, so it's perfect for those days I don't have time for breakfast or lunch. 15 grams of protein and 200 calories. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.